Hi there everybody, welcome to this presentation here of how to trade the Forex market from a professional standpoint. What I mean by that is that when you trade in the markets, right, unfortunately the new guys that come to the market, when I say newbies, guys who've been trading maybe a year, couple of years or so, any time shorter than that, tend to come to the market thinking that they're going to make a lot of money. Unfortunately, guys, in reality, it's not going to happen that way. Professionals think a lot different to non-professionals. And what I'm going to do here is give you a snippet into a little bit of a window into the look of how professional trader trades, right? Myself, I'm FX Trader 711. I've been trading this market for nearly 9 years, and I've learned a lot during that time, and a lot that doesn't work and a lot that does work. Unfortunately, there's a lot more that doesn't work, and a lot of people have lost a lot of money because of that. So I want to give you a bit of a head start, because I want you to be able to enjoy the profits that this market gives. So it certainly is a market that can pay you really well if you trade it from a professional mindset. Alright, I'm going to show you what I call a 711 trading system. I've developed this system myself through years and years of experience, and again, it's going to give you an insight into how to trade the market successfully. Alright, so one of the most important things is, how do professional forex traders trade the market? Right? $1 million question. Well, first of all, they think totally different to the average trader. In other words, the professional trader who has had years and years of experience at this knows more the pitfalls and can identify where profitable potential positions are going to exist. Alright, I want to give you this analogy to start with. Now, if you went to your local library and you went and got out a book on brain surgery, right? You studied it over the weekend, read up on it. How many of you would go to a doctor's surgery on Monday and perform a surgery on the brain? Right? How many people would do that? I bet you bottom dollar that no one would, right? But yet people would go to a weekend course in forex trading, get a piece of software, and then during the new week they will go and trade the markets and try and make some money. If brain surgeons, lawyers, doctors, accountants, if they are taking years to learn their trade, let me tell you guys that if you want to be a professional in the forex market, it's going to take you years. Not weeks, not months, not days, years. Alright? I know there's a lot of stuff going out there over the net telling you can make money in this business, tomorrow, next month, next 6 months. Let me tell you, if you're going to do that, you're going to be chicken fodder for the professional guy. Why is that? Well, professionals are in this business for one thing. They are there to exploit you, to exploit the amateur in this business. Alright, the amateur shows up. How do you think the professionals get paid? They get paid by what I call the late loser, who turns up to the trade and gets his head hammered and handed to him on a plate. Professional traders will exploit. Alright, they exploit imbalances in the market. Right, order flow. Where are the orders coming from? That's the only reason why markets move, because of orders. If there's more buy orders than sell orders at a point in time, the market can only advance higher. If there's more sell orders than buy orders, the market can only advance lower. Alright? So, what we want to see as a professional trader is you want to be able to identify where is the late loser. If you can trade against the late loser, guys, you're going to have a high degree of success at taking money out of this market. You trade against a professional, you're going to be really up against it. Most likely, you are going to lose, right? Trading is a zero-sum game. What that means is, for every buyer, there's a seller. So if somebody is buying and another person is selling at the same point in time, at the same price, one's selling the price, one's buying the price, it's physically impossible for both of those guys to win. Somebody has to lose, right? And who's that loser going to be? It's most likely going to be the guy, right, who's new to this business, hardly, has not had experience, doesn't understand the psychological pressures and the stresses that come with losing trades and excitement that come with winning trades, haven't gone through that yet, right? Those are the guys that are going to get exploited. So professionals exploit people, right? They exploit traders, amateur traders, right? They anticipate market movement like a chess player, right? Many of you play chess out there. One thing you got to understand about chess is that it has a set of rules, right? Everybody is under the same guidelines and the same rules to play. However, if you came up against a champion chess player like Bobby Fischer, do you think you'd beat him in your first play? Probably not. Why is that? He's under the same rules, the same guidelines as you are. However, right, like a chess player, he can exploit your mistakes. Alright? He's probably going to be more patient to wait until you make a mistake. And he'll exploit that mistake, right? And, checkmate you and make you lose chess. The same as in the Forex market, guys. Forex professional traders are predators. Right? This market is not meant to be fair for the new guy on the block to come in and make money. Alright? There are professionals out there who are entrusted to billions of dollars